Okay, so I found a rust spot right here, so I sprayed some paint on it, and I'm letting that dry. I don't think I'll put another coat on. Maybe I will. It doesn't really matter. And then after that, I will probably touch up any shiny spots. That seems a little shiny right there. Touch up shiny spots, wipe it down with some acetone, and then put some Raptor Liner on there. Yeah.
Welcome back out to the shop for another episode of the Betsy Ross Jeep Project. Tonight we are working on, I am doing a little less of it than normal, but Mara is working on putting Raptor Liner in the floor. So we've got one coat in here, a little bit more in the back than in the front, but we're about ready to start laying on the second coat. She has it all prepped and cleaned. Didn't record very much because she had a friend over and was doing work with her friend. But this is Raptor Liner. You can get it at AutoZone. I think it's available on Amazon too. If I can find a link for it, I'll put it in the description below. I've never used Raptor Liner before. This stuff, I've heard good reviews about it. I had it recommended to me from a friend. I have used Herculiner before, and I liked it, but it was a little rougher than I wanted as far as texture, and it has little gritty things in it that I didn't need. This is like a truck bed coating, and it will do pretty well for covering in here, and it should help quite a bit for sound masking. So it should keep the noise down and the heat down. And we can decide whether we want to leave it bare like that, which we probably won't. We'll probably put some carpet over top of it. But at the very least, it'll give us a good, dense, hard floor covering. So that's what we're working on, and we're trying to get it done.
Yeah, you fill it up to here, the little line. It's 8 ounces, I think. And then you pour it in this, and then you shake it for 2 minutes.
And it's one of these per container?
Yeah.
And then it comes in like, what are there, 4 containers?
Yeah.
Okay. So there's 24 fluid ounces in this box. Oh, it came in a box, but it came in a box. Yep. So it came in this box. It says it's enough to do a full 8-foot truck bed. Yeah, we'll use the new roller. It says it's enough to do a full 8-foot truck bed, and this is probably more square footage than an 8-foot truck bed. But it will be thinner, I think, is really all that works out to be, is maybe thinner. I don't know. It worked out last time that I did this. An 8-foot truck bed amount of Herculiner covered the interior perfectly fine. And that's about what the same estimate that I've used before. So she is getting this next batch wrapped up, or shaken up and ready to go. And it goes into that pan, and then we roll it out. Here we go. And you can go all the way up the sides too.
Okay.
Yeah, you see how it's making a texture now?
Yeah, I know.
Yep, that's what you want. Good work. Welcome back to the shop. It's the next day, and boy, that looks good. That is such a good feeling. Oh man, I am really happy with how these floors turned out. This Raptor Liner, it went on real easy. Pretty. I mean, it wasn't cheap, but it wasn't expensive. I mean, it was $150 for. That is decent stuff. I think you could definitely keep going with it. Like if you wanted to buy more of those kits and put a thicker layer on it, I think it would probably look even better. And if you went with a spray, you would probably even make it smoother. But I kind of like the texture because it gives you a good grip. Oh man, I'm really happy with that. So yeah, really happy with that. Well, that wraps it up for today. This weekend we got the floor herculined, we got the steering back together. Tomorrow or Tuesday, today's Sunday, tomorrow or Tuesday I'm going to call the muffler shop and try to get this guy scheduled for an exhaust system. New parts showed up today. I was hoping to get these in and get the front end on, but it just didn't happen. A lot of stuff going on with work, and I've got to go back tomorrow again to the city, so it's not going to be touched again for another 3 days. But coming back Wednesday, and then hopefully Wednesday, Thursday, we will get back into this and start making some more progress. But that's it for now. This was just a little update video, and I hope you all enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching. Come on back. We're gonna keep trying to make progress on this. So like, subscribe, do all that stuff. Thanks again for watching.